Hi, I'm Louise Hudson, and this is Gretchen Kother with Lee County Federated Republican Women. Today we're visiting with Tom Montoya, and Tom is a candidate for the Court of Appeals, position number 3. Tom, we're really glad to have you with us today. Thanks for joining us.
Well, thank you so much. Thank you for the invitation. I'm very pleased and honored to be here. Thank you.
We understand that you got into this race a little bit late because of a lawsuit. So we were wondering if you could tell us about your successful lawsuit against the Secretary of State concerning your ballot access.
Sure, thank you. June 25th, that's of 2020, that's filing day, and I thought that I had filed everything that needed to be filed, but the Secretary of State did not. Just 6 days before filing day, the Secretary of State put a declaration of candidacy form on the website, but then she didn't tell anyone about it. There are only 2 candidates that are affected by that. That's myself and my opponent. Neither one of us signed that particular form, but the secretary qualified my opponent and not me. So saying that the opponent had signed this other form, but that was actually the wrong form, as it turned out. But nonetheless, my opponent was qualified, I was not. So I sued the Secretary of State in district court, and the district court ruled for me and stated that I had, in many different ways, I had filed declarations of candidacy under oath on at least 3 occasions, and I got qualified for the ballot. Then the Secretary of State did not appeal, but my opponent did to the Supreme Court to challenge that decision of the district court, and the Supreme Court ruled in my favor 5-0. So I've had 1 judge and then the 5 from the Supreme Court all ruling in my favor 6-0, that I had clearly advised the Secretary of State that I was a candidate and that I needed to be placed on the ballot. So that's what occurred. And it did take, unfortunately, it put me on the sidelines for about 2 months, from June through, for 2 months, August, September. And July, August, excuse me. But it was 2 months that I couldn't do anything because the secretary did not accept me as being qualified until the Supreme Court made its final ruling.
Well, we're really glad you were successful in that, and we look forward to seeing your name on the ballot.
Thank you. It's there. It's there.
Thank you.